Alright, this right here is a 5-pin Brinks padlock. I got this from Ford by the Bay, another guy who does lockpicking videos on YouTube. This is the working key right here. And perfect working order. Let's see here. I'm going to pick it for you guys. This is a standard twist flex tension tool. And this is the slim hook. You can get these at lockpicktools.com. And here we go. Make sure I'm centered up here. So, first thing, you need to get the cylinder to fall set, so I just start raking it. And we are at a false set there. And now we go in and we find the stiff pins. There it is. This lock has 5 spool pins in it. And actually that was probably the quickest I've ever picked it. It is actually a very hard lock to pick. Maybe we should try to do it. Oh, heck no. Let's keep this video like this. There we go.